Computer. There is a great variety of Vroid products available for you to purchase at incredible prices. Almost my entire store is inspired by Genshin Impact. And I have clothing, hairstyles, and beautiful models like Ye, the Shogun, Yelan, Kazuha, and others available. In summary, if you're looking for quality Vroid products and want to support a freelancer so I can keep working, I invite you to visit my virtual store and take advantage of all the sales. Additionally, if you like what I do and want to help me even more, I would really appreciate it if you could share this information with your friends. Thank you for your time and for supporting freelancers like me.